Carpets can trap viruses and bacteria. These can later be kicked up into the air. Therefore, carpets are sanitized each week. One, fully vacuum the carpet to remove all loose particles and dirt. 2. Mix 1 ounce of D7 with 5 gallons of water. 3. Pour this solution into your normal floor cleaning machine. 4. Clean the carpet with the D7 solution. 5. When done, flush out the solution tank. 6. Fill the solution tank with clean water. 7. Then clean the carpet once more. 8. Put up a cleaning in progress floor sign in the entrance of the space. Leave the sign in place until the carpet is dry. 9. Using fans, fully dry the carpet. Caution: to prevent resoiling, it is important the carpet is fully dry before allowing foot traffic.